We're asked to determine the derivative of the given function. We have f of x equals 6 times cosine of 2x to the fourth plus 7x to the fifth. The first thing to recognize here is that we do have a composition of functions, and therefore the derivative will require the chain rule. For our function, the inner function is 2x to the fourth plus 7x to the fifth, and the outer function is the cosine function. Below we have the formulas with the chain rule built in, where the derivative of cosine u with respect to x is equal to negative sine u times u prime. So notice how u is the inner function, which in our case is 2x to the fourth plus 7x to the fifth. So again, we have u equals the inner function of 2x to the fourth plus 7x to the fifth, which means now we can think of the original function as just 6 cosine u. We will also need the derivative of the inner function, so let's find u prime or du dx now, where u prime is a derivative of 2x to the fourth plus 7x to the fifth. The derivative of 2x to the fourth is equal to 8x to the third. And then we have plus the derivative of 7x to the fifth is equal to 35x to the fourth. And now we have all the information we need in order to find f prime of x. F prime of x is equal to the derivative of cosine u with respect to x, which is equal to 6 times negative sine u times u prime, where u is equal to the inner function of 2x to the fourth plus 7x to the fifth, and u prime is equal to 8x cubed plus 35x to the fourth, which means f prime of x is equal to, let's write this as negative 6 sine of u, which is again 2x to the fourth plus 7x to the fifth. And we have times u prime, which is 8x cubed plus 35x to the fourth. Another way to think of the chain rule is we have the derivative of the outer function evaluated at the inner function times the derivative of the inner function. I hope you found this helpful.